call, buddy. He's just 3, right? That's we heard him fall.
2008, 12B West, hard hunt, got a lot of big bucks. This unlucky guy crossed my scope this morning. I shot him with a low. Tracked him, thought we lost him. No. Lord knows I didn't want to wound the animal. So, by his grace, I was able to find him and shoot him again. Good, my third buck. Help up too.
Di, muna kita. Iba kumula muna. Inaman trakatula dyan. Abenalin sasa.